In this video, I'm going to show you how to export data from HubSpot. Now to do this, you first have to go to a screen where you want to export the data. So usually you can go inside CRM over here on the left, and you can go and try to export any of these records over here which allow exporting. So you can go to, for example, Contact, and you'll see that all the things you can export are going to have this export button at the top right. So you can go and click on Export View over here, and it's going to basically export the entire view. You can select the export name, the file format, and then of course the language, and then click on export, and it's going to export it. Now this can be possible for a bunch of things. You can do companies, deals, whatever. And if you go ahead and basically check mark a few of these things, you'll see that over here, if you go to more, there's no export button. You're always going to have to use this export button over here, and it's going to basically export all of it over here just like this. So you can also go to, as I said, like companies, it has the export button. You can go to deals, deals has the export button as well. And all these things which do have export buttons are going to allow you to export data from HubSpot directly onto your computer. So let me actually go and export this. I'm going to go to export name, all contacts, and I'm going to go file format, CSV. You could do like Excel as well. And then I'm going to click on export, and there we go. The export is going to be processing. And of course, as you can see, you'll receive an email once it's ready, and you can track your export in Export Audit. You can click on over here. It's going to show you. There we go. Here is the all contacts. It says download available. You can just click on it just like this. And there we go. It's going to download onto your computer. Okay. So super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.